my friends, Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and what a month it has been. Can you believe it's almost over? And I want to make sure you don't miss out on these items. So, are you ready? Get set, put your seatbelt on, let's go. Look at how fun this is. This is the large postage to stamp. We came out with this as our club stamp and die set. So if you're in our club, whew, you already got this one, no sweat, right? Here's another example of it. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? We also came out with the postmarks and the large circles for the postmarks, which are really, really fun as well. So if you missed out on any of those, go get them quick. Here's another fun sample of that one with our fun envelope background die, which is so cute. I love it. Then we also released a Steffi doll. This is Steffi doll number 8. Look how cute she is. She's just handing you that cupcake. It's like me being in person and handing you a cupcake, or handing your friend or family member a cute little cupcake. Isn't she adorable? We also released some wedding bells because 'tis the season for weddings. And I know everybody after COVID's all having their weddings now, right? Am I right or what? All the invitations are flooding in now. So now's your chance to start making some cards. We also released one of the cutest, absolutely cutest fold-it dies we've ever done is our cute little crab. This is a slimline, fits in a standard business-sized envelope. Now, not to be outdone, and they really do need to be together, is our seagull slimline fold-it. Look at that. They really go together well, don't they? They're so cute. And you know what? I'm all about the beach. I'm a beach girl. If I could be at the beach every day, I would be there. I absolutely love it. But look how cute these two little guys are together. Now, we also released our fun Create a Scene Hello Summer, because you know what? It's all about summer. Summertime is coming and it is so much fun. I love summer. Don't you love summer? I love summer. Then we have our circle background die. Now it's a circle background die, but you know what? It's also bubbles, and look how cute it is in this shadow with our mermaid. So adorable, folds flat for mailing, and look at how cute those bubbles are. I love them. Next, we have more bubbles because our froggy little peep needed some bubbles. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. We also released a thank you fold it. So adorable. Look how cute that is. Beautiful. You can ink the bottoms and you can get all that great stuff. It looks so cute. Here we have a fun dad fold it for the dads in our life. So cute. It comes with the stitching dies as well. And we released our happy birthday oval flip it that I took on HSN that boom, sold out. We also released the 3 add-on word sets, the add-on word dies that would go in here as well. So go check those out. What a month, right? What a month. If you missed out on those items, go get them now because you don't want to forget. Make sure they're added to your wish list. Make sure you get them because you know what? They're so adorable. I hope you didn't miss out on any of those because you know what? If you missed out on those, that means you also missed our flash sales. We like to release brand new items at flash sale prices. So you got to be on the ball to get those extra discounts because who doesn't like to save money? Everybody likes to save money, right? Of course. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.